Okay, so we're going to install Cami on your computer. I mean, it's already on everybody else's, so now I'm going to show you how to do yours. So up here, see where you've got all these windows up at your computer. See this cross? We're going to add a new tab. And it should come up as a Google tab right here. So what I want you to do is type in Cami. See, and mine makes it go up here when I start typing down there. Cami extensions, T-N-S-I-O-N. So that's what you type in, K-A-M-I space E-X-T-E-N-S-I-O-N. So type that in, all right, and then push enter, and this is what you'll come up with. Right here at the top it says Cami extension, PDF, and document annotation. That's the one you want. Click on that, and it'll come up, and this is what you'll see, okay? Right here, I want you to add it to Chrome. That's what you want it to do. Add to Chrome. And then it'll do that. Up here, click on Add Extension. And it's checking. All right, and it should show up here that it's been added. It's been added to Chrome, okay? And now I'm gonna click out of that. All right, and now you should be able to use Cami in the different assignments that you have. This is what the first thing I want you to do today, or right before you have any Cami assignment. You need to do that, okay? And then if you do that, Aynla, you'll be great. It'll be a lot easier, and you can use Cami to write on top of the pictures that you have on your screen. All right?